So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy, this is your native cryptos and tech. So in this video episode, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Binance referral link to your name. So you understand right now, like how you can customize your Binance referral link to your name instead of you just sharing a random code at the end of your Binance link. So you can just fix your name there for you. Like if anybody wants to like register through you, they can just use your link to register. Okay. So all you don't need to like download the Binance app for you to do this right now, because everything you need a browser. You don't if you want to try it on your Binance app, it's not going to work. That's why. So you need a browser. So first of all, let's go to Chrome. I'm using Chrome browser right now. So type in your email and password, click on login, let's wait. Login, okay. So there you request for code, so the verification code will be sent to you. But wait, as I'm watching this video, I want you guys to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, guys, get me to 1K subscribers. Get me to 1K subscribe. Please, I'm begging you guys. Okay, 6 8. Let's try it out. I'm still waiting for you as you're watching this video right now. I'm waiting for you. Get me to 1K subscribe. Okay. So after you input your code, you click on submit. So the next step is going to be like this. So the next step is going to be like this. Hold on, still loading right now. As I'm watching this video, I'm still like on this thing. I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Please, guys, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, get me to 1K subscribe. Please, guys. I can't do this alone, you know. I can't do this alone. You can see right now. You can see my name. You can see Nitty. You can see Nitty Berry right there. You can see Nitty Berry personal account user ID. You can see it right now. Okay, this is my account. I've not been using Binance for a while now. I'm using FTS to trade right now. So this is how you're going to do it right now, and how you can change your name, how you can customize everything, even your referral link. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Click on. So like let's get started, guys. So you locate trade. You locate where trade is. Locate trade, spot trading, fan token, swapping. No, this is not where we're going to, because this normal Binance site own website own is somehow like difficult to find. So let's locate market. Let's locate market right now. So this is where we're going to, like, where we need right now is future market. Okay, I've seen it. Here is it. You can see it right there. Here is it. You can see future markets. So this is what we need right now. So we click on features. We click on features. Sorry, still loading. So this is how we're going to do it. You can select any coin. Any coin. You can just select any coin, because you are using this one like for to change your name. Just select it USDT. Feature can only be added with a, okay. So still loading right now. As I'm watching this video, I'm still saying it, guys. Please get me to 1K subscribe. Please, guys. I can't do this alone, and I'm be running a giveaway soon on my YouTube channel, and I'll drop a link where you going to join. After you join there, then you'll be able to access where I'll drop the airdrop. Okay, guys. So let's get started. Here is it. Guys, okay, so this is it, but I think we need to like switch to the mobile app, because I just find a way on how to do everything, how to make everything easier on mobile app right now. So let's go back to the mobile app right now. Here is it. So when you open your mobile app, you need to log in your app, log into the mobile app of Binance. They click on features trading, click on features. Then after that, you click on this three dot sign here. You click on this three dot sign there. After that, you locate earn bonus. Okay, you locate earn bonus. You locate earn bonus. You can see it right now. Let me point it out for you guys to see clearly. Earn bonus. You can see. You locate earn bonus. This is where you're going to do all the settings, everything you need to do right now. So you see, you can see right now. So you click on invite now. Invite now. Invite now. Yes, this is where we're going to. Like, as you can see right now, you can see Binancefutures referral. I can't change my name. You can only change your name once. Okay, you can only change your name once. So that's why you need to like make sure of the name you are input. Set your username very well. Then you can click on my referral link. I'll drop my referral link down below. If you are even register on Binance yet, use the link to register. Okay, so this is all about that. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. After you have input your name, then you click on customize code. Customize code. You click on customize code. Yes, it. I can't click on it again because I already like you can always or customize your name once. After that, you can't change it or you can't reset anything again. Okay, so thank you guys. See you next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Please get me to 1K subscribe. Please, guy. I'm still waiting for you. Please, okay. See you guys next video.